Morning, guys. We have a Series X, and the client just said they heard a boom and then no power. So when I'm plugging in, I can't hear no spark. So let's tear it down and then look at the power supply. So I can't hear anything here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's a bit different. So ladies and gents, what happened here? What happened? Yeah. Oh. Okay, let me just try to discharge it. Forgot, but I'm sure it's discharged already because there was an explosion. So most likely there is no power here. Let me just see. Yeah, there is no power here. Perfect. So just for safety reason, as I was reprimanded there, say watch and your ring when working on power supply can get you electrocuted. So yeah, this form. So this means I won't be able to put this back. Okay, so I've removed whatever that was hiding those things here, or covering them. Let's just do some measurements, see what happened here, which is quite obvious. Yeah, we can start here, it's not a problem. Okay. Yeah, that was a proper guess there. Okay, so that's shorting there. And over here, there's the, what do you call this thing? The rectifier. Usually 4 pins. Let's check. So the rectifier so far is good. Oh no, it's not good. So the rectifier is not good. So okay, that's one, but it still could be something else. So that's the rectifier, and then we move to the usually these two here tend to go bad. Usually it's the one with the 3 legs, the one that goes bad, but MOSFET there. Where is it? So there's 1, 2, and usually it's this 2 here. Okay, I'm checking it height. 1, 2. Yeah, there are different types, eh? Very small. Okay, check. Okay, that is good. That's not good. What? Okay, yeah, we measure short already. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a look at that later. So yeah, so there's a short here. Huh? That's shorting. I need to dig down here again. So, that's the part number. We need to Google this and see what it is. Let's look at the diodes. Okay, these diodes are shorting. These diodes are shorting too. Okay. So let's do this. Okay, let's just do this. I'm just trying this to start with. That common sense I was talking about. Okay, that's fit. So let's see. Okay, so here's what's happening. In other words, this bridge rectifier is fine. The bridge rectifier is okay. So now, which moves us to this point here. These two are bad for now. Okay, so let's see if the short still remains. Oh, let's just test both. Okay, that's bad. This is also bad. So let's see here. Definitely won't be no connection. That's normal. That's perfect. Okay, so this short over here is gone. These two are bad, definitely. So definitely we need to get rid of these two here. So now, okay, that's supposed to show that's normal. Where does this one here go to? It looks like it goes all the way there. Okay, so we are having a short here. Let's see if we're still having a short. Yeah, we're still having a short. Okay, there's also a diode. That's a good diode right there. We have a short here, we also have a short here. Okay, let's remove this chip here, and this MOSFET. Deal with the obvious stuff. Put that aside. Let's see. Okay, the short is gone. Okay, the short is gone. Are we still having a short here? No, we're clear. We're clear. So we need this. We need this MOSFET. I need to Google this and see if we can get a substitute. And we need two more diodes over here. And these current sensing resistors. These are completely blown, so there's not much we can do there. What's the value? Can we get the value at least? Yeah, as usual. So that's the value over there. Might not get the same, but most likely. Okay, it's blown, so I can't expect much there. Okay, so we know what we need now. 2 current sensing resistors, 2 diodes over here for the bridge. The bridge is fine, and this MOSFET over here. Okay, let me Google this thing here. Guys, so yeah, I went into digging again. I removed this whole thing. I wanted to make sure about what was under here. When we look here, this one is also shorting. So by the look of it, I would say the setup is similar to the PS4 power supplies, or PS4 Slims basically, or PS4 have the same setup here. But I check on the data sheet, I can't find this thing, so I would assume I will show you now what I mean, what I'm trying to say here. Apply some flux. Apply some flux. Okay, so let's see. Okay, as usual, the short is gone again. So when I say it looks like a PS4, this is what I mean. Where is the PS4 Slim? PS4 Slim power supply. Okay, so here is what I mean here with this PS4 power supply. So when you look here, the way these 2 MOSFETs are aligned, this way. So the first one most likely should be the positive that sends to the other leg here. So the positive link to this other MOSFET this way here. And when you look here too, this one here comes to this leg. And if you have to move this other way here, it'll be the first leg on this side, which is the same here. So if I have to follow the same logic, I would say basically there's another PS4 power supply. So we'll take the yeah, these are fine, I'm sure. Yeah, they are. So we'll take these 2, move them over here. We need to find some current sensor. I'll take these 2 from another working board, move them over here, put a fuse, and that should be it. We should be able to get this thing running again. because I can't find this online, so I'm just using my guess. This power supply is not working, so whatever I do now will either fix it or make it even worse. Okay, so I'll just follow this some logic here. So this one here will go here, and this one will go there. But it is the same chip anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's too hot. That's one down, and let's take a second out. Okay, are we shorting now? It's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, we need the diodes here. I'll find diodes elsewhere. I'll use these ones here instead now. Okay, the line on the motherboard here tells you which way to position your diode. So there's a line here, and there's also a line on the motherboard here. Okay, that's good. So Need two more to. I don't know what they just fuses. Need two of those. Okay, we'll go back there later. And the fuse is also blown. Yeah, it was bad. Yeah, so that's yeah, there we go. We'll need the fuse there. Okay, let's just pick up a fuse from PS4 for now. Where are those fuses now? Let's pick up one for now. Yeah, it's 2 amps, but we're testing anyway. So that's the 2 amp fuse we're taking now. We'll just put it there for testing. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then we're in trouble. Yeah, let's make sure it slides in properly. Well, it's done. Okay, that's that. We're missing 2 current sensing resistors. Where am I gonna get those 2? The PS4 Slim, what was the value there? R035. Okay, let me look at the Xbox One. Xbox One S power supply. Okay, if you guys remember, these 2 here, they're supposed to be, okay, so on the power supply here, they were R100. On this one here, I can only get, the highest I could get here is R062. So, we'll deal with what we have here. Let me just make sure that they're working. Yep, they are working. They're not shorting. We'll deal with what we have and then hope that our common sense of imagination was on point. Okay. come off. Oh man. I told you it was cold already. Okay. I don't know, guys. Have you guys noticed what I did here?
Maybe.
I'll give you guys a minute to a couple seconds to notice what I did on. Okay, there we go. That was going to be a beautiful explosion. Are we getting 12 volts? Okay, let test you. There we go. We've got 12 volt. So I'll say, okay, I need to check here too. Okay, so that's a fixed power supply there. Perfect. Okay, we'll put it back together and test it out. Okay guys, let's see if this is going to work. It's plugged in already. Okay, there we go. Nothing on the screen. Yeah, there we go. Well, we have been working at Xbox One, Xbox Series, Series X. Yes, we have been working Series X. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I can watch other video where I'm fixing other power supply there on the channel if you're interested. Yeah, like and subscribe and share.